Okay, so today a new topic start ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The topic name it's called embedded images. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ embedded images ಅಂದ್ರೆ I'll first explain you the question pattern, one example ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ and then we will solve questions one by one. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ first question ನೋಡಿ direct answer ಬೇಡ, just question ನೋಡಿ pattern ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ x under x. Okay, under x ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ some figure will be there. Okay, and then 1 2 3 4 each box ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 different figures ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So now what you should do, ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲಿ whatever figure is there inside the box, ಈ figure ಈ 4 different figures ಅಲ್ಲಿ this part is it there in any of this figure ಅದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. I will take one simple example and I'll explain it to you. ಆಮೇಲೆ you will understand how to solve all the problems. Okay, so ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ I'm giving a triangle. This is x. Okay, now I will give you 1 2 3 4. This is one figure. This is one figure. So next is this is one figure. This is one figure. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ವಾ, can you all see whatever I'm drawing here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ, x ಅಲ್ಲಿ x under x square ಅಲ್ಲಿ I gave one triangle. Okay, and then 4 figures 1 2 3 4 each box ಅಲ್ಲಿ different type of figure I have given. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ what should we do? Embedded images ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the procedure? First x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು figure ಇದೆ ಅದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. x ಅಲ್ಲಿ what is the figure I have here? I have a triangle. Okay, now ಈ triangle ಈ figures ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 4 figure ಅಲ್ಲಿ same exact triangle ಅದೇ ತರ is it there in any figure? Is it there or not? You should check. Yes, option 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ yes, correct. Option 2 is correct. Nodi, option 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ same triangle as it is ಇದೆ. Where is it? Red color ಇಂದ I will draw. See this one. Same triangle ಇಲ್ಲಿ overlap ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, overlap is the correct word to use here. Same exact triangle ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ one of the figure ಅಲ್ಲಿ same figure overlap ಇರಬೇಕು. That will be the correct option. Okay, so this example ಇವಾಗ whatever I explained, that is a very simple example, but ನಿಮಗೆ exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ complicated questions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You should be very careful. Now ಇದು pattern ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Question pattern, did everyone understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so simple. x ಅಲ್ಲಿ one figure ಇರುತ್ತೆ and then you will have 1 2 3 4. So x figure 1 2 3 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ which figure ಅಲ್ಲಿ it is overlapping check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That will be the correct option. Okay, simple. That is the pattern. But questions ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ it will be complicated images. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ careful ಆಗಿ you should find out. Okay, so if everyone understood the pattern, we will start the examples. Okay, any doubts, anyone with the question pattern?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then now we will start with the question. Look at the first question. Find out the alternate figure which contains figure x as its part. Okay, 1 2 3 4 figures ಇದೆ. You should find out which figure is in which figure this is a part. Now let's check. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, this is the figure. What is the x part? X part is like this. It is like this. So same ಇದೇ figure, where is it overlapping? ಅದು check ಮಾಡಿ. Start with easy one. Okay, so ನೋಡಿ first option 3 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ simple ಆಗಿದೆ figure. Tell me, is this part there in figure 3?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ayush, yes, it is not there. Check ಮಾಡಿ. See here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ bottom ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is a straight line. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ I'll use a different color. 1 minute. See, in the third part, ಇದು correct ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, check line by line. This line is correct. This line and this line, it is matching. Okay, next, this line and this line is also matching. Okay, correct. This line and this line is also matching. This line and this line, it is matching. 1 minute. Okay, next, idu e line match ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, it is matching. Now look, from here to here one straight line ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ is there any straight line?
No, ma'am.
That is why it is not matching. Understood? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಚೆಕ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬೈ ಲೈನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಲೈನ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಚೆಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್, ದೇ ಲುಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Option 3 is not correct. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ why it is not correct? Why? Because this line is missing. This line is not there here. It's missing. Correct? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Did you understand, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will. So option 3 is not correct. Okay. Option 3 is wrong. Now, okay. Second option, it looks simple. We will try with second option now. Same thing, line by line check ಮಾಡಿ. Second option, tell me, is it possible? You ನೀವೇ check ಮಾಡಿ, tell me. See, top, here in the top there is a straight line. Second option,
No, ma'am.
there is no straight line.
No,
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ break ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me. Anyone got the answer?
option 1.
Option 1, okay, we'll check with option 1 then. One line by line, let us check. First line is this one here. This will be the first line which is matching, correct? Next, big line. Here there is a big line which is matching. Next, this line is matching here. Next, one more line which is matching. One line downwards line, and one line, big line towards the left, one big line towards the left, correct? So option 1 is matching. Option 4 check ಮಾಡಿ. Is it there in option 4?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so which is the correct
No,
option? Option 1. So did everyone understand this? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, we'll go to the next one. Okay, can you all see the second question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so same procedure ಇಲ್ಲಿ start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what do we have here? One big line like this, and then like this. This is the figure. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು width.
Ma'am, option 4.
Ma'am, option 4.
Okay, let's check. ಸೊ ಇದು ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಥಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಥಿಕ್. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಅದು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4, we will start with option 4. Let us check. So this is the first line. So illi, where will that line come? It is this one. Next, one line to the right side. This is the line, correct? It is matching. Next, this one, it is matching here. Next, one more line to the left. Here also one more line, it is matching. One line downwards, matching. Small line is matching. Again, one more line. And finally, one line to the left side. Okay? So yes, it is matching. So same figure, correct? Same figure is there in both x and 4. That's why option 4 is the correct answer. Just check ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ತರ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ಚೆಕ್. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ is it possible?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So option 4 is correct. Yes. Okay. Okay, can you see the third question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so third one, let us check. Let us check one by one option now. First option in the let us start. Okay, so first one big line like this. Here one big line which is matching. Okay, next Ilinda one small line.
Ma'am, option 4.
4. Okay,
Ma'am,
let's check it. So option 1 is not correct because Ilinda there's one line like this, but Ilinda there's no such line. So not option 1. Option 1 is wrong. Option 2, okay, we'll directly check with option 4 then. So first one big line is here. Okay, this one big line. Next Ilinda one line downwards line. From here illi one diagonal line is there. Okay, it is not exactly to the left or to the left, right, bottom or top. Idu diagonal line, so it is this diagonal here. So next illi one horizontal line is this one, and one more diagonal line is this one. Correct. So option 4 is matching. Option 4 is correct. Okay, let us check ivaga option 2 alli nodi the big line is there. Okay, which is fine. Illi in the one straight line is also there. Even from here there is one straight line, but diagonal line is missing. That's why option 2 is wrong. Okay, option 1 alli this big line is there, this line is there, this line is there, but again illi diagonal line missing, so option 1 is also wrong. Option 3 alli this big line is only not there. Illi nodi illi break ide, it is coming like this, which is wrong. So option 3 is wrong. Option 4 is correct. Okay, so it is simple. It is just like this. Figures ee tara, if there are complicated figures like this, line by line check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. Okay, this is the fourth question. Idu simple. It is very simple actually. You can directly see and tell. Is it first option?
Option 3.
Yes.
Option 3.
Yes, option 3 is correct. So straight away nodi we can tell option 1 is wrong because the symbol is only not there. Option 2 only, it is reverse. Okay, it is similar but reverse. Okay, illi ee tara ide, but here it is coming like this. It is starting like this. So that's why option 2 is wrong. Option 4 only, is option 4 correct?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, option 4 is not correct because illi nodi here it is this big line here, it is not joining. Okay, the small line illi inda matte it is coming down and then starting like this, so it is not matching. So now third option we'll check. One line like this, one line like this, matching. Next one big line.
My answer is 3.
Yes, correct, option 3. So we'll just draw it and check. So this is done. Next one line like this, one line like this, one vertical line, it is matching, and finally one line like this towards the left and left. So it is matching. Option 3. So option 3 is correct. It is matching. Okay, can you all did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, this is the fifth one. Hidu, this is very direct. Tell me which one it is. Which option?
Option 4.
Yes, very direct. Nodi, same shape as it is. It Ali is it. This one. Same shape, exactly same shape is used here. Okay, so directly we can say option 4. This is easy. It is not there anywhere else. This one is different. This is different. This is different. This is also different. Yes, so straight away you can say it is option 4. Okay. No. Yeah, this is the next question.
Ma'am, option 4.
Option 4.
Okay.
Ma'am, option 4.
Okay, we'll check it. First, ಎಲ್ಲ figures ಅಲ್ಲಿ I think triangle is first ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ triangle is common in all the figures ಅಲ್ವಾ? This is a triangle. This triangle is common in all of them. Here also there is a triangle in option 1. In option 2 also there is a triangle. In option 3 there is a triangle. And even in option 4 there is a triangle. Okay, so triangle is common in all 4 figures. All 4 figures ಅಲ್ಲಿ triangle common ಇದೆ. Only thing different ಏನು ಇದು curve portion. Okay, this one. See here there is a curve bottom line ಅಲ್ಲಿ, and then to the side there is one more curve. So same thing is matching here. Here there is one curve, and then to the side there is one more curve. So yes, option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, because e curves, other 3 figures ಅಲ್ಲಿ it is not matching correctly. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ bottom e edge ಗೆ curve it should be there, but option 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ there is no curve. Okay, so option 1 is wrong. Option 2, bottom curve is correct, but the other second curve ಅಲ್ಲಿ this side ಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. It should be here, but here it is to this side, so second one is wrong. Third one again bottom it is missing, so it is wrong. So fourth one is correct. Okay. Okay, this is the next question. Can you try?
Option 2.
Yes, option 2 is correct. So same thing is there here. One line like this, one triangle, one more line and bottom. So yes, option 2 is correct. So other options only it is not there. Okay. Okay. What about this one? 8th question.
Ma'am, option 4.
Okay, let us check. So one
Yes,
line.
ma'am, option 4.
Okay. So say option 1 only it is this line is correct, this is correct, this is correct, this is also correct, but till in the diagonal is not there, so this is wrong. Second option only there is no starting straight line itself, this is wrong. Third option totally wrong. Fourth option is correct because see this is matching This is matching. This is matching. This is matching. And finally, this is also matching. So yes, option 4 is correct. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, option 4.
4.
Again, yes, correct.
4.
Again, option 4. Very simple. Two curves touching like this. So option 1 only it is not there. Option 2 it is not there. Not 3. In 4 there are two curves touching like this. So yes, it is option 4. Okay. Next, 10th question. This is
Ma'am,
simple.
option 2.
Yes, option 2. Direct, same as it is image illi overlap agide. See, one line like this, one line like this, one V shape. So V shape is matching. One more line to the bottom, and then one more inverted V shape like this. This is also matching. So yes, option 2 is correct. So option 1 only it is not there. In 3 also it is not there, and in 4 also it is not there. So second option, option 2 is correct. Okay, what about this one?
Option 2.
Yes, again option 2. Let us check. First one, straight line, horizontal line is matching. One vertical line like this.
Option 4.
4 LL. Okay, we'll check 4. I don't think 4, it's option 2. Vertical line matching. One more line to the right, one more line to the right. So exact figure is matching. 4 only, let us check. One vertical line, this line is matching. One straight line is matching. But this part is missing. See, this part is not there in option 4. It is there in option 2. See, same thing is there in option 2. It is not there in option 4. That's why option 2 is correct. Artha, did you understand why it is not option 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, option 2 is correct. Next, this is the next question. It is a little complicated, but line by line check madidre, it is easy. One by one you can eliminate.
Option 4.
Ma'am, option
Correct. Option 4 is correct. Let us check one by one. First one big line like this. So E line, it is. See, option 1 is wrong because illi full line illa. Illi, see, this part has no line. So straight away you can say option 1 is wrong. Option 2 only there is no horizontal line like this. Option 3 only, okay, there is a line like this. Option 4 only there is a line. Okay, so 4, 3 and 4 has that line. Now, okay, so now only one line like this from the center. So illi from the center, yes, there is a line like this, and again even from here there is a line like this. Okay, and then one horizontal line. Next, other end of the line in the one diagonal line. From here one line towards the left. See, third figure only that is not possible. So option 3 is wrong. Option 4 in the you get one line like that. So option 4 is correct. Option 4. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Just 2 more questions and then I'll stop the class. Yeah. What about this one? Check this.
Option.
Option 4.
4.
Okay, we'll check. First, one diagonal line. Okay. Matching. Next one, horizontal line, matching. This line and this line also match ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Next, one line like this. Okay, one more line at the other end, also matching. Both ends in the one straight line, two straight lines, and again joining those two straight lines, So correct, yes, option 4. Option 4 is matching. Option 2 only it is not there. Option 3 only, even in option 3 it is not there. So yes, option 4 is correct. Okay, did you understand, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. What about this one?
Option 1.
Option 1. Okay, let us see. Option 2 not possible because this diagonal line is not there in option 2. Option 3 only diagonal line is there, but horizontal line is not there. Okay, we'll check with the option 1. Option 1, this line is matching. From here, one straight line matching. Bottom straight line and straight line
Yes, ma'am.
matching.
Option 1.
Okay, one line like this. This line and this line is matching. Then this one. Yes. So option 1. Yes, option 1 is matching. Option 4 only, this line is there, but this line is missing here. So option 4 is also wrong. Okay, so Artha Aita, this is how embedded figures problems are solved. Okay, so that's it. It is actually simple. It is not a tough topic. Only thing is ನೀವು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು because some figures very complicated ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Too many lines or too many curves ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So in that case you might get confused. So that's why ಅಲ್ಲಿ trick ಏನು line by line check ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. Also each line where is it ending? ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ middle of the line ಇಂದಾನೆ start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So all that you should take care. Okay. So line by line, if you check, then it's easy, you can solve it. So any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.